What I'm confident in is the need for us to have this battle. I'm proud of the fact that we're doing what we promised we would do in standing up for Manitobans. While the government is in there defending its own right to take away rights from Manitobans, we're here defending Manitoba's best interests. Manitobans aren't benefited by a government that hikes taxes, and they sure aren't benefited by a government that breaks its word. But they also deserve to be respected and given the chance to vote on major tax hike proposals such as this one. And so on those three fronts, we are standing up for Manitobans today, and I'm pleased to do that. I think it's our obligation to do that.
What's the essence of your legal argument here?
Well, the essence is that the government introduced, when it was contrary to do so, a bill that hiked the PST. Why was it contrary? Because we have a Taxpayer Protection Act in this province that gives Manitobans the right to say whether they want to pay higher taxes or not on the three major tax categories of personal income tax, business tax, and PST. The government introduced a bill hiking taxes at the same time as it said it was exempt from or excluded from having to listen to Manitobans, and it essentially took all the power, gave it to 35 or so NDP MLAs, and took it away from 1 million Manitobans. And we don't think that's respectful or fair or right. But, you know, the judge isn't there to decide whether it's respectful, fair, or right. We know it's not. He's there to decide whether it's legal to do it. I don't think any Manitoban disputes the fact that this is an unfair measure that the government introduced. I don't think any Manitoban who's observed this thinks that it was right what the government did or respectful. But the court is here to decide whether it was legal.